Okay, so here it is. I have gone through and removed the damage from the sun burning from yesterday, and it's now time to remove this dill. As I've said before, dill is not my favorite, so I have been highly aggressive on pruning this guy. And so, as you can see, as I pull on him, do you see how he's pulling on the other plants, like that poor little basil over there? And so what we're going to try to do is remove him out of the system without damaging the other plants. Okay, so I have had to actually cut out part of this plug to get him out. And so we look in there, you can see there's a little bit of algae growing, but there is an awful lot of root mass down there. So the roots actually equate to the plant growth. And so this root mass would be huge, but I keep cutting him over and over and over. So now we're going to plug another plant into his place. Okay, and so now that I have that area cleaned up a little bit, I'm going to plant my next pod. And so we literally just slide this in here, and you can hear that the motor's running back there. So it's going to be the exact same type of basil over here. So what I did, knowing that I was going to plant a new pod, is I cut out a lot of the other vegetation so that this pod would get lots of bright, intense light, just like my mint. Before I put the mint in, I made sure that I removed the thyme and the basil that was going to interfere with the light path. And so now we just drop this in here. And on the next water exchange, which will be in about a week or so, I'm going to end up removing the root mass that's left behind from the dill. So there we go. And so what you can see is by doing that cutting, I haven't really changed the height. I've just removed some of the leaves that were getting sunburnt and doing some opening so that we could let the light down in to our seedlings that are down here, the mint, and the new pod that I placed back there in place of the dill. So in about 4 days, we should see some new growth back there. But there we go. All right, check in with you tomorrow.